There is a unique country in the very heart of the Eurasian continent, where east meets west on the paths of the Great Silk Road. Having traveled 3 million square kilometers of this country, you will see landscapes following one after another, from deserts and steppes to mountain forests, lakes, and glaciers. This country is also unique in its reverent attitude towards friendship. There are 130 ethnic groups living here, and the land cherishes the memory of historical events. This country is Kazakhstan. This is where people tamed horses for the first time 5,500 years ago. One could say that this is where globalization began. From that time, people have been able to move at a speed unthinkable before, develop trade and exchange technologies created in different parts of the earth. But more than that, Kazakhstan is Baikonur, the site where the first man flew into space. And the city of Almaty is the Eden of apples. The progenitor of all modern apples of the planet grew on this land. During walks around this city, one may not only admire the view of the majestic mountains, but also climb them. Just 15 minutes and you will find yourself at Medeu High Mountain Ice Rink and the Shimbalak Ski Resort at an altitude of 3,200 meters. Just like these mountains with snow-white peaks, Kazakhstan is striving upwards into the future. In each achievement and new plans, Kazakhstan strives for harmonious building and strengthening of partnerships, stretching the cooperation threads from the center of Eurasia to all countries.